Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hello. I'm at school. And today, I'm gonna show you my basketball cards. Jimmy, what are you doing, you little goon?
I'm gonna come look at your cards.
Okay. You wanna do the video with me?
No.
No?
I was just coming to say.
Okay. So first, we're gonna. These are a bunch
jockey.
of cards. He's saying chicken jockey. Interesting. Okay, so, Caleb Houston, Jaden Ivey. That's a crazy card. What? Kason Wallace, a crazy Mark Williams card. He's ass. Cunningham, he's crazy. He sucks, he's ass. He's ass. Vanek Matherin, Walker Kessler, AJ Griffin. My friend Jimmy likes Duke.
I love Duke.
He's a menace. Simone Fontecchio, Walker Kessler. Why are these sleeves all weird? AJ Griffin, Jaden Hardy, Jaden Ivey, Marshawn Puchamp, Johnny Davis. As you can see, this is a very stand-up YouTube channel. We're doing this at school currently. Shaden Sharp, Ochai Abaji, Matherin, Sohan, Abaji, Simons, Walker Kessler rookie. Let's see here. Devin Vassell, Le Bon, Shea, AJ Griffin. Bunch of crazy cards.
Very crazy.
Right, Jimmy?
Very crazy.
Very crazy?
Yep.
Okay. And then my last one that I'm going to show is Mac McClung because he's the GOAT. Right, Jimmy?
Yep.
Thank you guys for listening. Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Chicken Jockey.